So this is how you can use the problem-solving organizer to represent any direct variation problem that you encounter. Let's say that I pay $20 for 10 gallons of gas. Okay, so I'm going to write that here, $20 for 10 gallons of gas. So my x would be 10, and my dependent variable, my y, would be 20. So here I can just do a little bit of math. I know that k is going to equal y over x. So that would be k equals 20 over 10. It's 2, and that's my constant of proportionality. So my constant of proportionality in this case is 2. So let me write that right there. What does that mean? Well, that means that gas costs $2 per gallon. I'm going to write that over here. Gas costs $2 per gallon. So that's the meaning there. Now, how can I use my table to express this? Well, 0 gallons would cost $0. 1 gallon would cost $2. 2 gallons would cost $4, and 3 gallons would cost $6. I just chose some numbers that made sense to me. All right, so now let's talk about how to do a graph. I'm actually going to zoom in for this, so I'm going to click my little magnifier and zoom in. Yeah, that's much easier to see my graph now. I need some points, so I'm going to do that using circles. So my shape menu up here, I went to shapes, and then I got a circle. I'm going to draw one circle. Yeah, that's about the right size. And then I'm just going to copy that circle and make some more. You could also use Control V to paste, or you can just click copy paste up here using the edit menu. Okay, so I have some little points I can move around my grid now. I know one is at 0, 0. Because if I buy 0 gallons of gas, it costs $0. If I buy 1 gallon, that's $2. If I buy 2 gallons, that's $4. And if I buy 3 gallons, that's $6. So now my next task is to connect those points. I'm going to use an arrow. So I'm just drawing a little line here. Mine is an arrow to indicate that the function keeps on going directly through my points. And it's not perfect, and that's okay. I'm going to adjust it in a second. So now I'm just going to move my line a little bit so that it really does go through all those points. And that looks good. Great. Okay, so now I have a graph, a table, and an equation. Oh, I haven't written my equation. Let me do that here. Y equals 2x would be my equation. So now I have a graph, a table, and an equation that all describe this relationship. $20 was the cost for 10 gallons of gas, which means that each gallon costs $2. And I was able to show that using an equation right here, using a table, and using a graph.